am 6 months into this project. I've got 3/4 of the roof done. That's tearing off the old stuff, putting up new sheathing and new roofing. I've been working on the foundation to shore it up and to level the floors. Got most of the plaster torn out of the inside, so cleaning up the inside. It was gutted before, but it's even more gutted now. So my main project for this fall is the front left quadrant of the roof, so that the roof is all done. And then the foundation below. If I can get eave troughs up, I can stop the water from running down against the foundation, and then I can rebuild that wall underneath. Then I want to close up the rear wall of the house, get that closed in. I haven't done much back here while I've been concentrating on the roof. And during the winter, I think I'll probably focus on wiring. Doing any framing on the inside of the house, it's got to be done on the interior walls, and then spending some time doing the electrical wiring. The City Board of Appeals just removed my house from the demolition list. That was nice. That was important. That's I'm breathing a sigh of relief. Some of the neighbors have been saying that the house is starting to look respectable again. It's nice to see some of that classic charm renewed. I haven't ever given you a tour. Every now and then people poke their heads in and see what we're doing. A jogger came by the other day and stopped and peeked in. That's cool. Let me give you a quick run through. Heading in the front door, and in the entryway we have enlarged the entry. Planning a stairway in this open area where before, the floor was entirely missing. Living room in the middle of the house, the dining room on the right, the kitchen where there's a big pile of lath right now. On the left, office. In the back of the house, mudroom, laundry through this doorway, and here's the side door. And then behind this wall, the room which was demolished a few years ago, which will be the master suite. Turned around, now I'm going to take you up the stairs, see the studio, upstairs and small bedroom. Bathroom straight ahead, right there. Efficiency apartment, sort of, / bedroom, studio, and front room. Another pile of lath. And then that rear bedroom, small, cozy bedroom, which we haven't touched yet. Lots of closet space. So it'll be a single family dwelling. At one time it was a triplex. So there were 3 apartments in here. But we're planning a single family dwelling, but with the upstairs being sort of a studio apartment like thing if we want someone to come take care of us when we're old. They could live there. I probably left you dizzy with all that spinning around, huh? That's the thing about a whirlwind tour. It leaves you spinning. there. Little bitty triangle.